first of all, you have to have a festive, you know, what is it, a towel? Hand towel? To wipe your hands on. You need creme cheese, preferably 2. Red velvet cake mix. Dunking Hines, because Betty Crocker burns in the waffle maker. 3 eggs. You go according to how you make cake. You just make it like regular cake mix. Except for when you use 1/3 cup vegetable oil, I use extra virgin olive oil. It's better for you. And then you put it in the bowl like so. 1/3 cup. Two years later. Worth the wait, worth the wait. Then, since I'm very ill prepared, I'm Martha fucking Stewart, so I can do what I want. But this is cooking with Clarice. This is amazing, by the way. Look, you can carry stuff in it. Like it's a storage, man. Doesn't even get any better than this. Oh, and furthermore, you can whisk. I don't give a fuck. I'll wake everybody up. And this is for bread. Now, you know, no longer needed. Fuck. I mean, you think it's cool till it gets in your fucking way. Alright. Festive. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Hence the container, right? You like that? My ADD. Blame it on my ADD.